A video emerged overnight, sending shockwaves through the world. It wasn't leaked in the usual manner. No anonymous tip, no dark web whisper. Instead, it appeared simultaneously on every major news network, social media platform, and even government-controlled channels, as if it had been programmed into the very core of the internet itself. The footage was undeniable. A world leader, standing before a podium, voice steady but eyes weighed with guilt, admitted to a crime so severe that its implications could dismantle entire governments. The confession was explicit, providing dates, names, and motives. A scandal of this magnitude threatened global stability, and within minutes, riots broke out in cities, markets plummeted, and international allies withdrew their support. Yet, something was off. While the world reacted with outrage, intelligence agencies worked behind closed doors, racing against time to verify the authenticity of the footage. Top forensic experts were called in, scrutinizing every frame, every syllable, and every pixel. What they found defied logic. The video was a fabrication, not in the conventional sense. Not a cheap splice of unrelated clips, but an impeccable deepfake so sophisticated that even the highest grade detection software struggled to flag inconsistencies. The confession was never spoken. The event never happened, and yet millions had seen it unfold in crystal clear detail. The world leader, the man at the center of the chaos, had not made a single public statement since the video's release. A scheduled press conference was abruptly canceled. His usual morning briefings were postponed indefinitely, and security details surrounding his residence were doubled. The public demanded answers, but before any could be given, something even stranger occurred. He vanished. No flights. No border crossings, no communications, no trace of him existed beyond the video that never happened. Government officials scrambled, issuing vague statements about a temporary retreat from public life for security reasons. But behind closed doors, the reality was far more disturbing. Had the real leader been taken, silenced, or replaced? As the crisis deepened, a second video surfaced, this time showing the leader denying the first video's authenticity. He looked the same, spoke with the same voice, carried himself with the same calculated authority. Yet, the world had already lost trust. How could anyone believe that this wasn't just another deep fake? The original video had been proven false, but now, so was this one. The very foundation of truth itself had crumbled. Intelligence agencies worked relentlessly to trace the origins of the first video, but every digital breadcrumb led to dead ends. The file didn't seem to have an origin. It simply existed, as if woven directly into reality. More troubling was the implication that someone somewhere had access to technology so advanced that it could rewrite history in real time. The public was left with two terrifying possibilities. Either their leader had been forcefully replaced with an AI-generated clone, an entity indistinguishable from the real thing, or he had willingly vanished, leaving behind an illusion to manipulate the world. One version was a fraud, but which one? Behind closed doors, a desperate attempt was made to verify the physical presence of the leader. The highest levels of intelligence turned to biometrics, DNA records, past speeches, and cognitive patterns. Yet, nothing could conclusively prove whether the man now standing in front of them was the original or a perfect facsimile. In the final moments before the world could settle on an answer, a third video appeared. Unlike the others, this one was broadcast live, in real time, directly from the leader's official residence. The screen flickered, the feed crackled, and two identical versions of the same man stood opposite each other. One spoke with frustration, demanding justice for a global conspiracy. The other, with eerie calm, declared that the truth no longer mattered. Only perception did. Then, the screen cut to black. The signal was lost, and neither man was ever seen again.